Good morning children, welcome to class for computer. So today we are going to do FI1 revision of the first lesson, hardware and software. Okay, so this computer can be divided into two parts. There is one is hardware and software children. Hardware is the parts which you can touch and feel, like keyboard, mouse, all these are hardware. Software is that one you cannot touch and feel, but you can see, like you are watching movies or watching listening to rhymes. Okay, you are typing something. Okay, there and all will come under software. So now, what is the machine? Computer understands. It understands the language of zeros and ones children. Okay, that is called as machine language. Okay, the machine language is zeros and ones. It is a low level language. What we are giving instruction is a high level language, and it is being understood by the machine as low level language in zeros and ones. Then it follows a cycle children. It is called as input process output cycle. So whatever instructions we are giving, that forms the input, and the CPU does the process, and the monitor or the printer gives you the output. So it always follows a input process output. Okay, then whatever work we do, that one has to be stored. That is being taken care of by this storage unit. Okay, input process output, and you have the storage unit. So we will see children some of the input devices. So keyboard you have the keys in it, alphabets, alphanumeric characters and numbers. You press and give the instructions to it. Okay, keyboard. Mouse, you know, you will do clicking the mouse. Okay, left button or the right button. Then you have the joystick. Okay, it is used to play games. Then you have the light pen. So how you write with a pen? Like that. It is also a light pen which helps you to write. Then on the screen of the computer. Then you have the touch screen. So with your fingers you can touch the screen and you can give instructions over that. Then you have the microphone. Okay, you can speak and give it as an input to the computer. So these are examples of input device. Then comes the processing device. So processing device consists of three things children. One is arithmetic logic unit, second one control unit, third one memory unit. So arithmetic logic unit performs your mathematical calculation and logical operations. Okay, arithmetic logic unit. Then control unit. See, whatever instructions you give, that has to be controlled. The meaning that it has to take control and give. See, first you do this task or you do this instruction. Like that, it acts as a control between arithmetic logic unit and memory unit. Memory unit is whatever instructions you are giving, for everything we need the memory space children in the CPU. Okay, so for that you have the memory unit. These three together coordinate and work. That forms your processing device. The next one is your output device, which you can take as it can be seen on the monitor, or you can take as a printout or hard copy. Okay, then so some of the examples we are going to see here. First one is monitor, the screen. Okay, where you can see the output forms the monitor. There are two types of monitor here. One is CRT, that is cathode ray tube monitor. Another one is LCD, so liquid crystal display monitor. Okay, then you have the printer to take a printout or a hard copy on a paper. So printer is a machine. So you have some three examples has been given. DMP is your dot matrix printer. Then you have inkjet printer and laser printer. Once again I repeat, dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Then you have the other examples of output are plotters. You can make a big print out this one. Okay, plotter, and you have the speaker which you can listen to the sound or audio. That speaker is your example of output device, children. Then comes the storage device. So storage device which are used to store the work you are doing in your computer, storage device, so that you can later on use it for future use, okay, are called storage devices. So what are the examples, children? You know, storage device, that is CD, floppy disk, DVD, okay. So DVD, CD, so just write, I am writing the short form. Digital video disc or versatile disc. CD is compact disc, and one more is your pen drive. Pen drive, okay. And your hard disk also, it's a memory device only, children, to store your operating system. Then next one is the software, children. There are two. The software is one which you cannot touch or feel. There are two types of software. One is system software and another one is application software. System software and another one is, second one is application software. So system software means that programs which help in the running of your computer, okay. That programs will come under the system software. Example, your operating system. And the application software means it's for some general usage. It has been designed like MS Paint, MS Word, MS Office tools and all comes under this application software. Okay, children, go through it, read from your textbook and notebook, prepare well. Okay, thank you, children.